In this video clip, we will see how we are going to use Microsoft Excel to draw the graph of function f of x equals x cubed. There are three steps here. Step 1 is open Excel, and we have Excel already open. And then we input values of the independent variable on x, independent variable x on column A. Double click on A1, double click until you see a flashing cursor. Then you input -10. You hit enter, -9, you input the answer. You may do in this way one by one to input odd numbers, but that way is too slow. The first way is to click back on A1 again, and then click on A1 one more time, drag it down to A2, and we see -10, -9 are marked. Okay, so when you move the mouse around, when you reach this right bottom part, the empty cross comes to be the solid. Once you see the solid cross, press the mouse, drag down. Drag down to the cell A21, and then lose the mouse. You see the number goes from -10, -9, until -1, 0, 1, then going up to the +10. That's a very fast way, and it is accurate. So we are done with step 1. Step 2 is on column B, input the values of dependent variable y. So you click on B1, double click. Again, until the flashing cursor shows up. Then you do equal sign. Okay, then click on A1. And then you want to use Shift key with the arrow up. The arrow up is actually the digit 6 key on your keyboard. Press the Shift, do not lose that key, and click number 6. So this arrow shows you are going to input an exponent. So you put 3 means cubed. Okay, the exponent is 3. Now you hit enter. You have a -10 cubed is -10 times -10 times -10 in total 3 times. Of course, you may do this kind of operation cell by cell, but again, you may not do it in that way. That's too slow. You want to click on B1 back. Okay, move your cursor around until you reach this right bottom part. The empty cross comes to be the solid cross. Click on the mouse. Do not lose the mouse. Drag down again here to B21. Lose the mouse. And then you see every number here is the number cubed of the previous one in front of it. For example, if you look at -4, -4 times -4 times -4 will be -64. -4 cubed is -64. Now we're done with the second step. The third step will be doing insert and then insert scatter plot. Okay, so you do the step 3 is first click here and then click here at the situation that is an empty cross, and then move down to B21, lose the mouse, and then the data area is marked. So then you do is to click on insert, choose the key here, there's insert line or area chart. Not really here, right here, this one. So you see the insert scatter, XY. Okay, all right. So click on that. And then you want to do is to click this one. Of course, when you move around, the graph shows, in different way. You may choose this one. So click on this one, because this one, the dots means the data, the curve means connecting all the points together by a smooth line. So click on that, and then the graph shows up. You may move the graph up to here. Okay. Of course, you may edit this graph you got. For example, double click on the chart. Okay, chart title and mark it. Okay, you click on C and then drag to E. You will mark it, and then you may input Y equals X shift number 6 and then 3. You click elsewhere. You then get the graph. This will be Y equals X cubed. Okay, you may rewind this video clip. I'll see you next time.